Hi guys, I'm Randy. Welcome to the Essex Fashion House channel. Today I have another unboxing video for you. These are another pair of men's Prada shoes, and I'm just going to show them to you up close so you can see all the details and get a good idea of what they look like in real life. So I just got this, and let's open this up and see what it's like inside. Alright, let's see. Here is the box. As always, a really nice Prada shoe box. Let's get this box out of the way. Alright, so first of all, look at this box. Again, as with most of the Prada shoe boxes, they have this nice finish to them that makes it look like they're made of leather. So this looks like cross-grain leather. Sometimes it looks like Saffiano. Actually, maybe this one looks more like Saffiano. And on this one, the logo is this nice shiny silver. Now let's open it up and see what the shoes are like. Oh, and even on the inside it's got this nice Prada as well, just like the lining of a lot of their bags. Fortunately, this one ripped a little bit, but that's okay. It's just a box. And we've got the little care instructions card here. It's matte black with shiny Prada on it. So this explains to you how to take care of your new shoes. Just gonna move these scissors away. Then when you open it, you've got Prada on the tissue paper. It's always a good sign. Love this part. So these are a pair of black sneakers with orange. These are quite loud, in my opinion. Let's get them out and have a look. And I will just, before I do anything, here are the dust bags. Or the dust bag. Let me just have a look. So these come with each their own dust bag. And this is like super soft. I don't even know what this material is. It's some kind of cotton, I would think. It's super soft, and then it has Prada at the front. It's like a dark blue. And of course in the care instructions card it says, please store them in these. Alright, so let's have a look at these up close. So this is a black sneaker. I'm not quite sure what this material is called. It's got all the orange detail. Really makes it pop. It's just very sporty too. Here at the back you've got Prada. Big orange sole. You've got Prada on the bottom there. And this feels, oh, it's quite hard actually. I'm excited to hear if these are comfortable or not. But so on the side here you've got all this black detailing. And then you've got Prada here on the orange part, which this is actually Velcro, which to me is interesting that you would put Velcro on like high-end fashion items, but well, I guess that's the thing. If you're into that, then that's it. If you don't like shoelaces, these are perfect for you. So I'll show you here so you can see them up close. Don't mind the tag. This is where we got them from. Got some stuffing inside to keep the shape, but if we just pull that first bit out, you can see it says Prada inside, and the sole is leather, which is quite nice. Made in Vietnam. Yeah, here you can see what the materials are. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, that you got to see all of the details up close. So if you're considering buying these, or if you're looking to buy them secondhand, you'll know exactly what they're supposed to look like, and you'll know what all the details are up close. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe. I've got plenty more videos coming. I also have another one with a pair of white men's Prada sneakers. And you can also find me on Instagram. So I hope I'll see you soon. Oh, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these shoes.